It's a single-use floss pick. Ugh, a used one. Each year, 1.2 billion floss picks like this are discarded. That can fill up a baseball stadium 12,381 times. You don't want to see our world littered with used floss picks, do you? We don't either. So, we reinvented the floss pick. It's small, really small. Smaller than a car key, and less than half the weight. And it works even better. Clean your teeth with just one push. So easy and fast. But here's the magic. It restrings itself after each use. And to keep it clean and hygienic every time, used floss is stored separately and sterilized. So no worries about germs and odors. And, greatest of all, with each little push, no more discarding, no more destruction, no more pollution. Our health and our world just got a little better. Qicobay, simple, clean, and green.
Hi everyone, I'm Victoria. As a lover of fashion and the environment, I've always believed that a great product should be fancy, elegant, and green. Floss picks are the opposite. Not fancy, not elegant, and not green at all. Floss picks are a major contributor to the plastic waste plaguing the planet. There has to be a better way to floss. We are confident that you have never seen a floss pick like this. As you can see, the Qicobay C1 is in another world compared to other products. It's fashionable and adorable. It's really small and goes easily into a pocket or purse. It can even be an accessory to hang on your bag or backpack with just one push. You can start flossing, super quick and convenient. Whether you're at a party with your friends or at dinner with your family, there is no awkwardness in bringing your Qicobay C1 since it's so elegant. On a trip or in the outdoors, you will definitely want to bring your Qicobay C1 instead of a bag of floss picks. Not only because there is no waste to discard after each use, but one Qicobay C1 equals 100 floss picks. That's right, the Qicobay C1 can be used 100 times per floss capsule. When it runs out, you can swap out the floss capsule to get 100 more uses. If everyone used the Qicobay C1 instead of single-use floss picks, it would save about 11,000 tons of plastic every year. But to start saving our environment, we first need to scale up and get the word out. Please join us in our mission to make our mouth healthier and our planet greener. Thank you.